Hey, Yins guys, you got the old Mongo man here on the way out this morning. Sunday morning, bright and, well, not sunshiny. KJ and I got a couple things we want to get done today. He got the boat out of the trailer. No, he doesn't have the boat out of the trailer. He's got the boat out of the garage. And we need to get some stuff done, starting with washing the old work truck. She's dirty. We're gonna give two tall bath. Then we're gonna rotate some tires today, get some stuff done. Probably been a while since you see all the garage without Phoenix in it. Had some water in there from Ida. What do you think, Kenny?
Too much shit.
So our plan this morning here, we're going to clean up the trucks, then come back, rotate KJ's tires, fix his leaf springs, put a starter in BOV1 because the starter's out again, rotate the tires on Cheryl's car, put tires on the back of Julianne's car. What else you got planned for today?
Fix my back window.
Apparently we got to fix a back window in 2 tall,
Do my
fuel filter, oil filter in 2 tall, maybe pull the bed off of a parts truck.
These on the back of 2 tall. So I have reverse lights.
Where are those from?
So we're supposed to go in the BOV1.
Oh. AJ started pulling the parts truck down. Get the hood off of it. I love that old Explorer badge on the bullnose. 80s, 1980 was the only year that got that, plus the Ford across the front of the hood.
Yep, I'll go back on the
Pretty cool, pretty cool. Phoenix out in the weather. Alright, let's get these trucks cleaned up. Get a move on.
No, I did that this morning.
Hey everybody, you got the old Mongo man back with you here in Mongo's garage. It's now Sunday evening. The floor of the garage is dry, almost anyway. It was soaking wet before, but so what we're doing here today, well, we've been into a little bit of everything, as you guys got to see. But right now, this is what we're trying to fix. It's a bundle of snakes, what used to be a spring pack. So this is the driver's side of old 2 tall. We've got the passenger side handle. All I need to do now is make up a clamp to hold them together so that they don't get all out of whack once again. But yeah, I took this side all apart. New center pin and U-bolts. The old U-bolts were loose. That's what allowed them to do that. These ones are better, but not 100%. So Gotta finish it up. Got places to go, people to see. Hey, you know what you need to do?
Take his girlfriend to dinner one day?
You need to take his dad to dinner. The hell is his girlfriend?
No, I think he likes me more.
Why waste your money?
Does it say what they talk about?
What
His
do you think?
entire sides are destroyed.
Of what?
Your boots.
How?
And how you don't walk right.
What entire size of my boots?
You walk in.
Because I'm pigeon-toed.
Come on, pigeon toad. Maybe all I will be is warm.
And that thing above your head has to get fixed too. No.
Hold it.
Woohoo! Some bitch.
We got some washers. Back here.
Wash toilets. So they go on easier? Yeah. the other nuts right there. That's your foot.
Get it. Can't bend down there and get it.
Impact 1516.
You pass beside me. Where's the cap for it? Why are you torquing them again, Dad?
I just beat on him with a hammer.
Take the torque off that.
Only if I had $1 million.
I don't remember.
I don't remember.
Kids here. She only have a car.
Good luck. I'm trying to raise money.
For a new window mirror?
No. What works? Yeah, there they are. Yeah, that's them. And then they go out. Come on and go out. Come on and go out. Come on and go out.
Hold it on.
Yep. Jacqueline, put the turn signal on.
KJ, I'm doing that.
Wow, what was the station there, Jacqueline? Okay.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? You got the old Mongo Man here. Monday, Labor Day 2021. Out here in the greenhouse cleaning up. Getting ready to get the starter changed in the Bronco here. Come along with me. You can see how this is done. My new starter here, well, rebuilt starter from Napa, the third one now. Pretty simple, 2-bolt installation. 1 bolt here on the starter, and that's about it. All right, here we are under the Bronco to change this starter. Like I said, it's a 2-bolt installation. This is the third starter for the truck, so let's get this thing out of here. So this is what keeps happening to these starters. You have this Bendix here. It just really float on its own. It just kind of rolls in and out. Well, over here on this new starter, it won't so much do that. Or this one, see how it's stuck out? This one, it won't do that. stays in. There's the new one in place. While we're under here, I'll show you. See that bracket right there? This guy? So that bracket holds what I call the painted rod on the Dana 60. That rod right there. As you can see, this Bronco does have 1-ton front suspension on it. I don't know. Can you see that? Leaf springs, just like they're supposed to be. Jack's my warning device. You can see the layout here. I got all my tools out. Junk starter. Get this stuff put away.